What's up, family? Happy weekend from my end. So, my name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bake this delicious tilapia fish. Yes. So, I'm going to be putting the link down in the comment section below. Showing you guys how I season this fish from start to end. Yes, I'm going to be baking the fish. I already seasoned it, but I don't want to make the video long. So I'm going to put a link down about how to bake this delicious tilapia fish. Okay, guys, you're going to be asking me, is that a party food? No, it's just my household food. Yeah, for my family and I. We're just making this for dinner. We're going to be having this for dinner tonight. Yes. So, welcome to the Rosemary Kitchen. Yeah. Welcome to the Rosemary Kitchen, where I teach you guys how to prepare African food. I cook pepper soup. Like, I love to fry, but today's video I'm not gonna be frying. This fish I'm gonna be making. I'm just gonna be baking it. I'm putting it in the oven. I'm not frying it this time around. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I season this fish from start to end. Yeah, so just let me know what you having for dinner tonight. Yeah, what you having for dinner tonight? As for my family and I, we are having fish. We're gonna be baking this fish tonight for dinner. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this dinner. What is your favorite dinner? What do you like to have for dinner? Yeah, so what you see on this is just onions and pepper. The pepper is mixed with hot pepper, bell pepper. Yeah, the bell pepper is all color like green, yellow, and orange. And yeah, so I seasoned it before putting all these stuff like pepper and other stuff. So I'm just gonna be putting this in my baking pan. I think I might use like 2 baking pan because I think I think it's too much. Yeah, for 1 baking pan. So to get more space or for it to really bake well, I'm gonna be using 2 baking pan. I'll be using 2 baking pan to bake this in. This is 1 fish head right here. It's really big. So I'm just gonna be putting it in a pot, in a baking pan, and let you guys know how it goes like. Okay, don't forget, guys, support me. Okay. Yeah, so like I've seasoned this fish like I seasoned the fish it's been like maybe 1 or 2 hours. So as you season it, just feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. Yeah, I said that. I said any seasoning of your choice. Yeah, use any seasoning of your choice. Yeah. Yeah, and I just put just maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil on this because I wanted the seasoning to catch my fish nicely. Yeah, so as I told you guys, I'm kind of asking you guys to support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. My goal for this year is to have 1,000 subscribers. By the time you'll be watching this video, my subscriber for now is 300 and I think 28. So by your support, I'll be able to meet my goal to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. On this channel, I do a lot of things. Yeah, I create a lot of comments, like how to yeah, just a little bit of everything. How to fry fish in deep fryer. Oh my god, the fish is so big. Yeah, you want to guess how many pieces of fish I cooked today? Just let me know in the comment section below. I'll be honest with you guys and tell you guys how many fish I cook. Okay? Is this just one time eating? Nope, it's not one time eating. My lazy person, I don't cook every day. So when I cook this, it's gonna stay for a while before we cook another one. Yeah. When I'm using this particular bowl, I like to use a rubber spoon because using iron spoon in this bowl, yeah, it's gonna make a lot of noise and I don't like it. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. Stay tuned.